This is a quick update video on my server. I'm trying to show you that I got a new laptop. Specs. Anyways, playing on my server, and the graphics are pretty nice. Settings are all the way up. I get around 80 frames on all of the settings. Yeah. Without Optifine and with Optifine, doesn't really change anything. Anyways, using World Edit just to show you how much faster my server is now. Yeah, because I upgraded the server. A quick little thing, boom. It's pretty big. Yeah, it's like let's see, 68,000 blocks have been changed. We could do //set lava, but I don't feel like doing that. Yes, I just wanted to show you that. Oh yeah, the specs of the laptop. Oh, that's my background. Yes, this is supposed to be a quick video. Hold on. Somehow I get a 2.0 rating. AMD A6. 2.7 gigahertz. 8 gigabytes of RAM. 64-bit processor. Or operating system. Yeah. And the graphics card is an APU, so it's based on the CPU. So it doesn't really matter. Oh yeah. Samsung. One more thing before I go. This thing's starting to get hot because I've been using it for like 8 hours straight, which isn't good. Yay! Oh, oops. Yay! Minecraft Xbox 360 graphics using PC laptop. Yeah, so peace.